All right, we're back.
Risky trade, partial taking, stop loss, break even. Good stuff, Aaron. I am still gonna wait. So I'm trying to practice until it's awfully clear for me.
Join my stream, and then I think the quality should be better now. Skip. Okay, should be good. Quality is low-key still kind of bad. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I have to up the bitrate maybe. Stream.
Ethan taught me a year ago. I received my first payout and blew my account. I've made consistent progress since your lesson streams and time frame alignment changed my shit. Gosh, your time frame alignment is so good.
Are you reading that to me, or are you reading that to yourself?
Nice to you.
Oh.
I got the message to you.
Wait, what did they say again?
Ethan taught me about a year ago. I just received my first payout and blew the account. But I made consistent progress since then. Your lessons and streams and time frame alignment changed my trading.
Fire. Hey, you did it once, you do it again. And then you do it again. You do it again. Oh my goodness. Paying attention to this fair value gap right now, this 5-minute fair value gap. The reason why I'm paying attention to it, for anyone that's in this trade with me, reason why I want to pay attention to this gap specifically is because it closes below the previous 90-minute range low. So being a time-based level, I want to see this gap hold since it's time-based liquidity plus time-based level. So I typically want to see continuation from these. Above that, we have a London low SMT right now with YM. And so if this is able to hold, then I'll look for continued higher prices. But as of right now, I'm really just paying attention to this 5-minute fair value gap. Otherwise, I'm pretty much out. I'm going to go ahead and move stops to break even now because of this gap, and it allows me to. So I'm going to do that. If you aren't able to go break even, just leave your stop loss hovering somewhere above this fair value gap.
Same game plan earlier for me, guys. Nothing's changed.
Does the stream quality still look bad to you guys, or is it better?
Let me check your stream.
Yeah, can you check my stream for me? For me, it's like blurry, so I don't know how to fix that.
I actually got an ad. That's crazy. You're getting paid, bro. Payday.
Oh, thanks for the 2 cents.
Yes, sir. Cash out, cash out. Oh, what the heck? Oh, the link you have in your Discord is not the live one, by the way.
Oh yeah, I changed it. It's because I went live again. Sorry, let me share it again.
Yeah, your quality's fine.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I gotta change everything. Edit. Edit. And then no. Oh my gosh. I'm like spam posting on Twitter because I keep messing up the post. Live on YouTube. Okay, okay, we're good, we're good. We're good. We're good. Everything should be good.
Alright, so for my stream, if you guys are still following the game plan I mentioned earlier, if we have close above this or block, I would consider taking it along. If not, we sit and wait.
Back to the 9-minute chart, see what's going on. London low is swept. I would like to see a deeper push lower for like a discount or something, preferably. So we'll see how that goes.
Something like that, if possible, if we see this. If not, then we wait.
You took the short, yes.
I got stopped up. I took partials. Do you recommend re-entering or walking away satisfied with what you have?
Are you up? I think my general rule of thumb is if you're up 1 hour on the day already, then just call it, to be honest. But if you're anything below 1 hour, then you're basically break even at that point.
Yeah. If you don't have something in your plan that talks about this, I recommend starting to make something on that. But you could, I would recommend at least waiting. So either way, you should re-enter right away, no matter what. Just give it a sec.
Facts.
Like,
Can we
wait.
can we like collab stream? Is that a thing on YouTube?
I wish. Maybe. That'd be cool.
That we can have like combined
Like, how do
chats?
you switch screens though? We gotta get like a host.
No, it's like you know how on Twitch you can do like shared streams, like group streams or something, and then people just switch between the streams.
Maybe something like that. Like on TikTok where they have like half screen, half screen.
Yeah.
Those look awful. Half screen, half screen looks
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it's time to start dual streaming to actually multi-streaming. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, what else? Kick. Stream to every platform. Okay, I'm gonna join your stream on my other monitor. Where's your stream at?
Yeah, close.
Is it Eli Trades? Is that your name?
Yeah.
I can't find you. Oh, I found you.
Alright, I'm back. I just had to close the door just to make sure
Well, welcome back.
we have a solid stream experience. Here we go. That's the push we're looking for. Let's see if we can continue.
So that's gonna be my stop at break even. At this point, because we have that London low SMT, if we're able to get a change in state delivery with the 15-minute candle, then that's where I'd look for a long setup instead. Because we are inside of these 90-minute gaps right here, which is providing bullish order flow as of right now. And then this trade, if I do take it on the 15-minute chart, it's going to be the last trade of the day for me.
guys know my position. You guys know what I'm interested in. The R isn't great though, to be honest. If you do a swing low, we'll see.
Explain why you took this trade. So on the 90-minute chart, price had taken out this external range high. So I was just simply looking to see if price was able to dig lower, taking out this internal range low right here. And this would be London low. So YM and YM was able to take it out. And now I see that there's an SMT, which is why I'm starting to lean bullish, since there's an SMT on the low as of right now with this internal range low. So that's the first trade I took, was a short idea to London low, possibly into discount. I got stopped at break even for that. And now I'm just going to look for the opposing bias if permitted by the 15-minute chart right now. Since we have a SMT with London low, if we get a change state delivery on the 15-minute chart, then I'll look for that long. Otherwise, I'd just continue leaning bearish. But at this point, I want to see all three close below London low before looking for any new opportunity. Okay, next stream I'm gonna up my bitrate to 6,000, see if it's better. I think it's actually a bitrate issue. So I gotta type this out. I just realized. Trade 1 stopped at BE. Trade 2 Waiting for setup. Nothing yet.
So I'm just now paying attention if it can displace through Asia Open. I'm just gonna respect it and continue with it. Maybe create SMT with YM or create a one. Or if just go.
Like 5 more minutes for this candle closure. I hope we don't get a sideways day.
Yeah. That would be the least ideal out of all the options.
$50 stop loss. I'd end up trading pretty much the same size.
If it closes like this, you guys can put your stop on the bottom of the chain and stay till every 15 minutes. I'd not want to revisit. Especially with their entry already like this early.
Yeah, and then we could start targeting those equal highs on like the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. That'd be kind of nice. Previous week high.
Be delicious. Bro, my brother's making a smoothie at this time, bro.
I cannot hear it.
Okay, that's good. Close my door, but I can still hear it from my phone. Damn, you're already long. Wait, two of you are in the same room. We're in the same call, yes.
Are you smoking right now? No, I'm not. I'm in my bedroom.
This is like a temporary TP. It's not really a TP. It's just something I'm keeping my eyes on. The 4-hour market share shift.
Although I do need to take my supplements. I just realized I forgot to take that.
Oh, bro, forgot his supplements.
Oh my goodness.
Power.
I'm unprofitable now.
Okay. I mean, if you don't have an entry according to your model, then, you know, it's alright. No biggie, man. Oh, yo, that's crazy.
What?
He said Ethan's lady voice.
Lady voice.
That's mean, man. Don't say that.
Wait, what did I say?
I don't know why he said that. That's funny. Just
Is it the tone? The tone I said.
Yeah, probably.
I'm never speaking. This is why I don't go live.
Yeah, that's why he goes to you guys. Oh my goodness.
Uh,
You guys do this to yourself.
I don't need this. I know.
You don't think I'm trying? This 15-minute candle looks pretty decent.
You can't ghost us, Ethan. You can't go. Watch me.
Bro's his daily affirmations in the morning. Ethan can't ghost us. Ethan can't ghost us. Ethan can't. That's his 15-minute closure.
Looking pretty good for the 15-minute long right now.
That's what I say, my word. Hey, man. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it actually plays out. Trade's not done until it's done. I would move stops to the 15-minute change of state now. Right there. There we go. And just let it run. Thank you.
I'm in.
He's in, guys. He's in. Oh, wait, I'm reducing him.
Let me put my position tool on.
You can't ghost us either. You can't. How do you
Honestly, I really like this position here. I'm gonna try to hold for previous week high. I think we could potentially get a push higher. As of right now, I'm paying attention to these equal highs on the 5-minute. See if we get aggressive price action past these highs.
This is what it looks like. So this is like eval I'm doing right now, and then I also have my funded on my right monitor. How do I trade it? I don't know what you mean by how do I trade it. In terms of eval, I do take it a little bit more lax, and I do take a little high risk. And then for my fundeds, I have a fixed risk. I just go with all the time. I take longs ever since FOMO. I didn't take the longs every time I FOMO in the trade. God's punished me. I mean, yeah, FOMO. I mean, FOMO is not profitable, so it makes sense. It makes sense. It's good that you recognize that, though. It's sad some people don't even recognize that, and they're like, "Yo, the markets are against me." You know, like, no, bro. Markets are not against you.
So this position tool is my trade right now.
If you want to expand on what you mean by how do I trade prop firm, I hope I answered it. If not, it's just I feel like you just trade it like anything else, right? I like evals because you guys pass it on time. My first thing, I'll elaborate on time because there is no on time for passing evals. That's my answer. But I do risk more on evals than I do on, so see 50k accounts on fundeds I risk 100, like 150 bucks, fixed.
Got stopped on the short, now in the same long. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but then on
Same
evals,
thing
I
for
do,
me.
like,
Got stopped at break even. Re-entered on the 15.
500, probably $300, and that would be how much I'd risk. I'm assuming Ethan and I are looking for the same thing now. Hopefully, we're looking
What are you looking for?
Wyman ES to close above the 5-minute.
I'm looking for them. Honestly, at this point, like seeing how bullish NQ is, I have a lot more confidence long in NQ. But yeah, ideally you'd want to see all three markets start moving together.
Yes, sir. That's it. I want to have the confidence to risk like 2%.
2% is, well, it depends, right? It's like, what's the dollar value that you're comfortable risking? Like, I get it, like percentages and stuff, but you also have to think of the monetary value, because if you have, sorry, if you have $100,000 account, you're risking 2% per trade. Are you comfortable with that? Because, for example, $100,000 account, I'm comfortable risking $2,000 per trade. Let's say that. But we move up to $1,000,000 account. Am I comfortable risking $20,000 per trade? I could be, because it's a percentage risk, right? But I'd rather just be like, it depends, like, where are your goals? What's your end goal? So for me, it's like I'd be comfortable just risking $5,000 per trade. Then I'm increasing capital long term, but decreasing risk at the same time. So you're giving yourself an even greater chance to survive in this game. Even if I endured 50 loss streak, I'd still be fine. So you have to think of it in that as well. And once again, that's the end goal, is increasing capital and decreasing that risk over time.
Okay, that's a question.
Yeah. Like, everyone's risk management is based on situation. You can, it's very easy for someone to just throw around a number. Oh yeah, risk 1%, risk 0.5%. But at the end of the day, it's like, what is your situation telling you to risk? Like, if you need that $1,000 to pay a bill this month, then your risk management is clearly telling you, do not risk it.
You know, being a good steward, not a good manager of your own money if you're doing that. How much
So
do
break even on short, then
micros
longed 1 minute order block.
recommend?
Nice.
How much micros do I recommend? So, I do dollar fixed value, like dollar value risk. So I guess it just depends on how my model shows up. But on like fundeds, I don't risk more than like 5 micros, no matter like what, pretty much. Because there's no situation where my model can even give me enough space to risk more than 5. So that's just like how it is. I just do dollar amount. It's just easier. It makes more sense too, because your model can appear a little differently. You can have like an average stop loss size, but still like it's slightly different each time.
I'm missing Brawlhalla, bro.
The stream life. How do I show this? There we go.
Have you
How do
moved
you
stops?
determine?
I haven't. I just leaving my stops where it is. This trade that I'm taking right here is half risk. The reason is because I already took one stab earlier. This one is half risk because position sizing only allows me to. Actually, it's not really half risk. It's more like 75% risk. So 0.75 R risk, because
Are you
position sizing only allowed me to size for 0.75%. or 0.5. All right, 0.75. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Yeah, I wouldn't move the break even yet. Until we get like a gap or order block or something, I'm probably not going to be moving the break even. If this candle is able to start displacing higher, close above previous session high, London high, then I would consider moving break even because we have this whole consolidation area, which is going to act as breaker blocks, mitigation blocks, whatever you want to name it. This area right here, if we're able to close above it, then I'll be fine moving the break even because I wouldn't want price going below this consolidation. So something you want to pay attention to is London high. If Nasdaq trades into it, how are we gonna react? Because if we're truly bullish, you're gonna want to see displacement past previous highs, typically.
Alright, back.
Welcome back.
Gotcha. This is recorded. Yeah, it's recorded. It's all recorded. You can go back on my YouTube channel and watch this. Wait, is this Clyde from? Oh no, it's our Clyde. Yeah, yeah, never mind. Pretty sure. Yes, sir. It's good to see you. I don't think I've seen or talked to you in a minute. Good hot minute. Are you in Jason's? I haven't checked into Jason's thing too in a while. What's going on in Jason's thing? Does Jason still stream?
I have no clue what he does, to be honest. I don't know what happened to him.
I think he streams once in a while. I know he has like Ryuki streaming for him and stuff. Having family crisis right now. Oh man. You're doing
Yeah, Clyde's been going through some stuff.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, for what it counts, be praying for you, brother. I hope you can pull through day by day. You have to go day by day.
I want to see if Nasdaq's able to jump a little higher here, past London high. And then you're going to want to, or ideally, I want to see YM start speeding up higher as well. Otherwise, you're just going to have a London high SMT, and that's going to reduce the probability of this trade.
Be annoying. This is just,
So if you are in this trade, you feel free to trim if you want. I'm personally going to hold. I pay attention to what this 15-minute chart wants to do. If we get a clear candle closure above London high and price continues pushing higher, I'll move to break even. Just stay protected. Because the thing is, for my trading style is when I'm in a trade, I typically just want to see price run in my favor. I don't want to see it retrace. I don't want it to see it start consolidating, anything like that. I just want price to expand in my favor, and that's it. So if it doesn't give me that, then I'll get stopped at break even. It is what it is. And then I'll come back tomorrow, try again, wait for that displacement in my favor, and eventually that displacement is what's going to really send my equity curve.
Not a big fan of how I was acting, but it's alright.
Well, what can you do? You're already in the trade, right? At this point, like, we're in the trade. We just have to manage it. Nothing else we can really do.
All we can do is ball. Screw it, we ball.
We ball. Double down.
Double down. Hold up, brother. What do you mean double down? Triple down, we in. Yeah, but you guys saw my entry. I showed my prop firm, so you know we in. And where we in?
I'm gonna go ahead and move my stops to break even now. We've created a bottom wick on this 15-minute candle. Preferably what I want to see is a gap being left behind here through this time-based liquidity and continue supporting higher from it. So I'm going to move my stops to break even here, protect myself. If it stops me out, then it is what it is. I'm going to be done for the day, and then we'll be back tomorrow. But whether we get stopped or not, we lose nothing today.
Lose nothing in fall plane. Fat win. Big wins. Alright guys, W pre-market plan. Alright, that's the 4-hour true market structure shift. You can just keep an eye on it or you can trim. Up to you guys. scared me. For a second, I thought the hourly didn't have a bottom wick, and I was like, yo.
I don't even look at the hourly chart anymore.
I had to zoom in, bro. It took the 4 hour before I was just like loading up.
We just hop on here, give signals, and hop off. That's our thing now.
Man, we're never gonna give signals.
Yeah.
Take at your own risk, guys.
I like what YM's doing now. However, I would like to see Nasdaq like move in tandem since it is the strongest asset as of right now.
Close, if it closes above this 4 hour termination shift, all time highs, bro. We going.
Resume.
We going back. Round 2. It looks like
What are the odds we have a bank holiday low of the week?
That'd be freaking interesting.
I probably will hop off here at 10:30. That's usually when I hop off, but I'll keep you guys posted on this trade. But you guys know what my game plan is. I'm just gonna be holding this. It's at break even. My ideal target's gonna be previous week high, but if any, how do I explain? If any like fair value gaps or fair value gaps or order blocks, as they form and push price higher, if it does that, then I'll trail my stop and start protecting profits. But as of right now, I don't see a reason to do that yet, which is why my stop's just at break even. Is it, bro? All the time. Soon. Do you take a break from trading? I did not take a break from trade. I just took a break from streaming, to be honest. And I've been really focused on the private students in the mentorship, but now I'm back. Nasdaq went from looking like the strongest one to the most hesitant one now.
Just waiting for the catch up, maybe.
Yep. Yeah, I'll be resuming streaming on the regular probably. Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays. Elijah, you in?
This trade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
My trade's what is my trade? 21250.
Gyat, bro. How'd you get that? 21250?
I dropped to the 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm guilty.
Good morning, HR. Might get an entry on gold for me waiting. Yeah, I see so many people trading gold. Maybe I should take a look.
Is it clean?
I don't know. I see so many people trading gold though. I don't know.
It's so clean. It's so clean. Yeah, it was easy for me to pull a trigger because this was my original plan since the morning.
Yep. That's fine.
And the wick up, the 930 candle. It's like I can't be too married to a short. The amount of times I've done it.
What's going on here on gold? I think gold. I feel like gold is bearish.
I didn't partial. I didn't partial my evals. Yeah, I didn't partial my evals. I partialed up my.
Gold looks like it wants to reach for this low right here into this inefficiency right here. And then potentially creating an SMT with that external range low, external range high, and then go back for the external range high. I don't know.
Look,
That's my...
Gold is crazy. She's mad. Gold be crazy. Apparently.
Gold be crazy.
Gold be crazy. Let's see. I want to see when Keith said to long BTC at 103. Yeah, damn. Yeah. We're not really today, but.
Nice, good stuff, HR. I see what you mean. Buy the lows.
Buy high, sell low. Buy high, sell low.
Just in terms of the ranges right now, it looks... Okay, the 6 hour looks horrible. 90 minute... No, I think it's going lower, personally. Because of this SMT on the high. I could be wrong. I don't trade gold, so I 100% could be wrong. Don't let me psych you out, though. That's just my analysis.
All eyes on this 4 hour trade. See what happens. You don't know how many accounts you've lost to that pair. Well, I'm glad I don't trade gold.
It is 10:34. I'm probably gonna hop off here. You guys know anyone that's in the same trade as me. Pretty much, I'm just gonna be trailing fair value gaps and order blocks. And then I'm gonna trail towards previous week high. If price wants to start moving higher, then that's gonna be my final target, probably previous week high. Past that point, I think intraday wise, I'm pretty much done with that. So. On that note, type 1 if you are satisfied with the stream. Will you upload new videos soon? Did you upgrade something in your trading? I didn't really upgrade anything, to be honest. My trading's been the same ever since last year. no point to change anything. All right, great. So on that note, I will be heading out here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll go live. I'm gonna be going live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, same as Elijah. So you guys join up. On that note, take care, everyone, and have a good day.